So I just drove by these plants and did a U-turn. These are all giant milkweed. Calotropis, gigantea, alba. These are white blooms. Wow, look at these white blooms. Giant milkweed. Oh, I gotta smell them. Oh, it's the first time I've actually smelled the flower. This is amazing. I wonder if there's any monarchs flying around. I saw a monarch nearby. This one's got a knoll. Gecko. There's a gecko climbing around that one. Oh, these things, wow, look at the flowers up on this last one. These have been cut back quite a few times. Look at these flowers over here. Look at that giant flower. Just give you an idea how big those are. Big flowers. I don't see any seed pods on these, which is traditional on gigantea. Oh, but look at this. Look at this leaf here. Does that look like a caterpillar was underneath it? Let's take a look. I don't see any caterpillar today, but there's other chew marks here too. And there's chew marks on this one too. These are definitely caterpillar chew marks. Wow, chew marks all over. This one in the shade seems really popular. Some kind of a long-legged fly there. Whoa, chew marks on all of these leaves. Sometimes the caterpillars go to the very top of the plant. Might be right up here in the very top. I'm kind of in a rush. I was heading down to look at some other giant milkweed that is further down. We're in Kawai. We're in Waimea, Kawai right now, right near L&L Hawaiian Barbecue. Oh, it's amazing. Plant in the full sun. These things are so happy right here. These blooms haven't opened yet. These blooms are totally closed. Beautiful. You can see 4 monarchs flying, 5 monarchs. That's a male. And they're here because of this crown flower. Oh, it's a white and the traditional. So here's the white one. These flowers aren't open, but these flowers are open. See, white, Calotropis, gigantea, alba. Enormous main stem there. Ah, that's beautiful. And then over here, more Calotropis, gigantea, the traditional purple color. There's a flower. And there's monarchs flying everywhere here. Right by Costco Wholesale on Kawai. I'm sorry, Kawai in the city of Lihue. Headed to the airport this morning.